Hello friends, welcome back to Invest with Ara. The stock taken for fundamental analysis today is L&T Finance Holdings Limited. This is an Excel program wherein we put financial data onto this program and arrive at a conclusion whether to invest in that particular stock or not at this point of time. The financial data is taken from an app known as the Stock Edge app. So let's go ahead and in the search bar we click L&T Finance Holdings Limited. We could see here the last traded price of L&T Finance Holdings Limited on 22nd October 2018 is 122.40. Let's go to the fundamental tab and understand about the sector, industry and the company. So the sector is finance, industry is finance, NBFC, non-banking financial companies. Now let's understand about the company. For that, let's click on show profile. L&T Finance Holdings was originally incorporated as L&T Capital Holdings Limited on May 1, 2008. The company, a financial holding company, offers a diverse range of financial products and services across the corporate, retail and infrastructure finance sectors, as well as mutual fund products and investment management services through its direct and indirect wholly owned subsidiaries. The business divisions are Infrastructure Finance Group, Retail Finance Group and Corporate Finance Group, Investment Management Group. So this was about the company. Now let's go to the financial indicators. We'll be putting these financial values onto our Excel program. So the first parameter is the market cap. It is 23,734.94 crores, clearly a large cap company. EPS is 8.46. Price to earning ratio is 14.06. Industry PE is 19.42. Book value per share is 65.50. Price to book value is 1.81. Dividend yield is 0.84. Face value is 10. And number of shares subscribed is 199.70 crores. Clearly, the financial indicators has given us a signal to buy this stock at this point of time. Now coming on to return ratio. For that, click on ratios tab under the fundamental tab and under the drop down menu select return ratio. The first is return on equity, which is 14.43. Return on capital employed is 9.19 and return on asset is 1.83. Here return ratio has given us a signal to buy the stock at this point of time. Coming on to efficiency ratio, and the first one is EBITDA margin, which is 71.14. EBIT margin is 70.62. PAT margin is 14.62. EPS is 6.85. Asset turnover ratio is 0.13. Days of receivables is 3.74. Days of payables is 58.10. And days of inventory is 0. So overall efficiency ratio has also given us a signal to buy the stock at this point of time. Now coming on to growth ratios, the first one is net sales growth, which is 20.15. EBITDA growth is 23.31. Net profit growth is 40.53. EPS growth is 28.51. Overall growth ratio has also given us a signal to buy the stock at this point of time. Now coming on to the solvency ratio, the most important ratio in shortlisting any stock. The first parameter is total debt to equity ratio, which is 5.27. Now when we click on 5.27, we get to know that the total debt is 71,577.05 crores against a net worth of 13,584.28 crores. Coming on to interest coverage ratio, it is 1.33. Now when we click on 1.33, we get to know that the earnings before income tax is 7077.28 crores, whereas the interest that they pay is 5337.45 crores. The current ratio is 0.87. So overall solvency ratio has given us a signal to hold on to our investment at this point of time. Now coming on to cash flow ratios, the cash flow per share is negative 78.59. Free cash flow per share is positive 6.96. Overall cash flow ratio has given us a signal to buy the stock at this point of time. Now coming on to valuation ratio, the first is price to earning ratio, which is 22.94. Price to book ratio is 2.50. Price to cash flow ratio is -2. EV to EBITDA ratio is 14.43, and market cap to sales ratio is 3.13. So overall valuation ratio has also given us a signal to buy the stock at this point of time. Now the program in its entirety has given us a signal to hold on to our investment at this point of time. Hope you might have liked this video. If you have liked this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. For any queries, write in the comment section below. Further, if any one of you wants to perform comparative or fundamental analysis of any of your stock, can write in the comment section below. Thank you.